Hello guys, welcome to this interesting video on Python, and in this video we are going to see how you can print a K alphabet with the help of asterisk or star in Python programming. So firstly we need to convert this K into the form of a matrix so that we can form equations and logic to print the stars. So I will quickly convert this K into the form of a matrix. So as you can see here that this K is made up of 5 columns and 7 rows, but for considering in the for loop we will consider it as 7 comma 7, or else also you can consider it as 5 comma 7. It doesn't matter because you can see here directly that this column 0 we have stars and we can simply put in condition for this stars, but we need stars at this location. So as you can see here at this first location we have row number is equal to 0 and column number is equal to 4. At this second location row number is equal to 1 and the column number is equal to 3. At this position we have the row number is equal to 2 and the column number is also equal to 2. At this location we have this star which is at row number 3 and the column number here is equal to 1. And now this line starts at this position. We have the row number 4 and the column number here is 2. At this position we have it at row number 5 and the column number is 3, and at the last position we have the row number as 6 and the column number is 4. So we need to write such kind of logic so that all this logic for the row and the column will be fulfilled. So let's start by first writing two for loops which will replicate the rows and columns, and then I will tell you about this logic of this code too. So firstly we will give here two variables and we will denote each and every variable. We denote I for row and then we denote j for column, and we give the initial values of both this as 0 and 4. So you will get why I gave this as 0 and 4 in a minute. So now we give two for loops here to replicate rows and columns. So I give it is in the range of 7 and the column also I give it in the range of 7. So as you can see in the diagram we need stars at column number 0. So for that we put the conditions. So if column is equal to 0, or now we need stars at location where the row is equal to column plus 2 and also the column should be greater than 1. So this is the first condition that we have written here for this part. Now we need to write the condition for the upper part, so it is better that I write that inside an different if elif loop so that it is understandable. So firstly we'll print star for this condition. Now inside the elif part we write the row is equal to I. So you must note that the condition that we have given here for the variable value of I, that is equal to 0. So initially it will be equal to 0 and the column value will be equal to j, so that will be equal to 4. So now we need to iterate this throughout the for loop, and what we need to do, first of all at this locations we need stars and we end it normally, and after printing the stars at each and every after each and every line, as you can see here this line proceeds from the first line we go to the second line. So when we go to the second line, here you can see that the row number is increasing and the column number is decreasing. So we write the condition for this part here as I plus equal to 1 and the j will be minus equal to 1. So this is not nothing but it is equal to, it is saying that I is equal to I plus 1 and j is equal to j plus 1. So this is done. Now for the last part, that is the places where we don't need any stars. So at that place we need blank spaces. So we simply write print and we end it with a space. And to go to the next line, the cursor, we write simply an empty print. So we are done with the code. Now let's run the code and let's see whether it's working or not. As you can see here, we are getting the k as desired. So this was all about how you can print a k alphabet in Python and the conditions that you need to write for this kind of program logic, and how you can make such a condition in the form of rows and columns, so that stars are printed at those only locations only, which will finally show us the result as the k alphabet. So this was enough for this video. If you have any doubts regarding any conditions in this video, feel free to write in the comment section. If you like my work, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.